There's a lift here. Before I unpack, I'm gonna give you a little tour through my very nice, sweet apartment. Okay, so here, the kitchen, microwave, and here I think was a toaster. Yeah, here, toaster, mixer, coffee machine, little stove. Don't know what's in here. Oh, okay, pan and pots. Here's probably cutlery, yeah. And here is nothing. Okay, so some cleaning supplies, and in here we have plates, bowls, cutting board. Here's the sink and my fridge, and then over here is the beautiful bathroom that also has a rain shower, and as you've seen before, it has that weird window again, but this time at least it goes outside, not into the hallway. So yeah, here's the living room. It's cute. It's like in a hotel. Got like all those little conditioners, showers, soaps and stuff. Some fake flowers. I might get rid of those. And then here, this beautiful king size bed, which feels very nice and soft. Couch, a little side table is perfect to work on, and the TV that actually looks very small in the video. It looks bigger while I'm here. Here we have the AC, and then I have this big wardrobe. I might need to buy some more hangers, that won't do. But yeah, I have this big wardrobe, even with a safe, which is nice. Not sure. Here, found some more hangers. There you go. Maybe that will do. Some storage space. And then I'll show you the best of the whole apartment. Not that it's not already been good, but this is, oh here, we have some fly screens too, as in the old one. But this one, the view is the best here. It's amazing. So back here, I should see the sun set actually, and you can overlook all Playa. And then back there, here we go, you see the ocean. So nice, very beautiful. So yeah, and then down here I have lots of restaurants and little shops. So, and I can just walk everywhere from now on, which is gonna be so nice. I'm very excited. So I'm just waiting for my new landlord slash host to arrive. So I'm very happy in my new apartment. I'm just waiting for my new host to arrive so we can get all the formalities done, and then I'll unpack. And I think in my grocery bag I still have 2 beers, so I think I'm gonna open a beer, sit out on this lovely balcony with this really nice view, and enjoy a beer and just wind down. Because yeah, even though I only move with 1 suitcase and those 2 small bags in a backpack, moving is still exhausting. Really, it is. Yeah, so I'm happy I'm done with this, and then I'm just gonna make myself cozy and comfy and get settled in my new place, and I'm very excited. So I finally settled. Everything is like in the closet and where it belongs for the next couple of weeks or maybe months, and I went just exploring the neighborhood. As you can see, there's like lots of restaurants, laundromats, everything you could possibly need. Little like fruit and veg shops and supermarkets. But because I needed like a few things, I went to like the big supermarket, which is just around the corner still, so it's really not far. So convenient, so much better than my previous one. Anyway, I also came across this food cart of something that I wanted to try for a while. I heard mixed reviews, but here it is. So that's how it looks like. This is basically a cup filled with corn. I'll put the name on the screen here. I just forgot the name, something with an E. So it's corn. Then you have mayo, cheese, and a little bit of spicy sauce because my taste buds are still German, so they can't handle spice very well. So, and this is gonna be me trying this for the first time. As I said, I heard mixed reviews. I hope I like it. I don't have a tripod, so I have to put you between my knees right now. So I think I'm gonna mix this up. It's kind of hard to mix. What a mess. I'm gonna get a proper spoon because with this like little wobbly plastic spoon, it's kind of hard to stir this around. So just give me a moment. So here we go with a proper spoon. And shit, this is such a mess. Maybe you should not mix it up. I don't know. It's that cheese that's such a mess. Because that literally falls out of the cup. You know? I mean, I can't really show you right now, but believe me, it's a mess. I probably eat all the cheese that falls out of the cup before I even taste some corn. Oh, and I think they put a little bit of salt on it as well. So it's cooked corn, salt, mayo, cheese, and a little bit of spicy sauce. All right, let's try this. So that's how it looks like. Not, is it even in focus? It doesn't look very delicious, I have to say, but I mean, you never know. I'll try. It's actually not bad. I could have probably done more spicy sauce because it doesn't have too much taste to it, to be honest. But it is not bad. I expected something very horrible because I heard with the mayo, it would be like too much. But maybe I was just lucky and got a good food cart. So, actually, no. It looks so terrible. But it doesn't matter. It's still good. So now that I actually stirred it around properly, it is nice. I don't mind. I mean, I wouldn't eat a whole bowl of it, or I wouldn't eat this every day. But I feel like that was just the right snack that I needed right now. So, yeah. I think I'm actually going to finish this cup now. And I can already see from my new balcony, I can see the sunset. So let me see if I can catch that. Having some corn in a cup and sunset in my new place. Is there anything better?